The dog, and we got a BB gun for him. Play with it if you want. I don't like him in the yard. Hey, no! Wait a minute, camera, mommy. Oh! Crash. We have a crash.
Oh my God.
It was already messed up like that.
What was that? Now I have to go outside and like push it back.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it like Uncle Jerome. He just kicked it close because that's how it was.
Oh, okay. Oh, good. Get all the way on. You got some booty. You got a leg. You got one cheek on now.
You want to see the chickens?
He's comfortable like that.
Because he got his one foot on the floor.
Yeah.
Look. I see. What do you see, Nani? What is that? Yeah. That's what he says, huh? This is Daya looking at the chickens. Come on, let's see if we can find him. Come on, hurry. Let's see if we can find him. Find the chicken. Come back, chicken. Come back, chicken. Look, there's one. You see it running? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Say, we gonna find those chickens. Look at the camera. Say, we gonna find those chickens.
We're gonna find those chickens.
Yeah, let's go find them. Going on a chicken hunt. We're going on a chicken hunt. Where are the chickens? Where are the chickens? Oh, we found some. Over there. Come on, hurry. This way. They're gonna get you. Here come the chickens. They're gonna get you. Here come the chickens. They're gonna get you. Yeah. No, I ain't taking a picture of you. Which one? You want to see it? Go right to the back. Go right to the back door. They out there. Look at them big old monster chickens. Come on, Boo. Why, baby?